Hi everyone, it's Aria. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber or viewer, welcome. And if you're returning again, thank you so much. Today's video is quite a short one, but it is quite interesting as well. I do hope you enjoy this video of places that are completely illegal to fly over. Before I do start the video, however, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and feel free to leave any suggestions of what you would like to see in my following content. In Florida, the Kennedy Space Center is actually illegal to fly over. This is because of military and NASA craft activity occurring in this area. Along with the Kennedy Space Center, planes are also not allowed to fly lower than 3,000 feet above Walt Disney World, not only in Florida, but in California as well. This prohibition of 3,000 feet was instated after the 9/11 attacks. Planes are not allowed to fly over Tibet at all. This is not, however, due to any illegal activities or military activities. This is due to a safety measure taken to ensure that planes do not crash or land high up in the mountains in Tibet. In the United Kingdom, Buckingham Palace is a no-fly zone, as well as Windsor Castle. Quite obviously, for security reasons, these places are frequented by the royal family, and thus no risks are taken. Since 2006, the Machu Picchu site in Peru is prohibited to fly over. This is to protect the rare plants and wildlife in the area, as well as this historical site. Camp David in Maryland is a presidential country retreat site in the United States. It is prohibited to fly over this area, spanning a 3-mile radius. However, when the president visits this place, the radius is expanded to 10 miles instead of 3. It comes as no surprise that Area 51 is a no-fly zone. This military base only allows a very specific passenger-type aircraft. This aircraft also had to come from Las Vegas McCarran Airport specifically. This is because the airport is nearby the military base, and for these specific planes to pass by, the captains have to use the specific call sign Janet to be able to pass over safely. The Pantex nuclear facility is a high-security plant near Amarillo in Texas. Not only does this facility dismantle missiles, it also keeps a record of existing missiles and even stores old missiles. Not only is it prohibited to fly anywhere near this plant or around the space above it, this plant is not open to the public either. It is prohibited to fly over Washington, D.C. This is one of the most restricted places in the world due to this area housing the White House, the Reagan International Airport, and other important people and buildings. US aircraft of any kind are absolutely prohibited to fly over Ethiopia, Somalia, Libya, the Ukraine, North Korea, or Iraq. This is due to security reasons surrounding missiles, attacks, war, or previous aircraft having been shot down. And there you go, those are 10 places that are completely illegal to fly over. Thank you so much for watching. If you are still watching, congratulations. I know this was a bit of a short video, but I hope you still enjoyed it nonetheless. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and feel free to leave any suggestions about what content you would like to see next. Thank you.